Maisie and Family Playtime. Hi guys. Today me and my babies are gonna go to the beach. But first let me wipe my hand because it's put in water. Don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up and click the subscribe button. So now I'm gonna wake up my babies. And they're ready to go to the beach. So I'm gonna wake up the babies, wake up. Huh? Huh? It's time to pack these things for the beach. I'm gonna make some room in my bag. I got some stuff in here. I'm gonna take some out. I'm gonna put sunscreen on you. I'm gonna take some. First, I'm gonna do the little babies. She just needs like about this much. Grab it. Rub it on her leg. This feels cold. Rub it dub dub dub. Rub it dub dub dub. Rub it dub dub dub. Now this girl's legs. Ooh, this is nice. Feels nice and cool. Not cold. Feels warm. Super lazy. Yeah, baby, it feels warm. Let's get arms. Hold your eyes, baby. Hold your arms, little baby. Super sunscreeny so you won't get sunburned. Let's put some on your back of your legs and some back of your head. I need to pack my knife. I need to pack the broccoli. We already got sunscreen on. Put the bottles in. Bring these, nice in case. I want to bring this because it's really handy. Itsy Bitsy Spider book for book time. Get my babies in the car. First put this on me. Oh, they're super sunscreeny. They're super sunscreen. This one's the littlest, and this is the old car. So I'm going to put her in this one. And then this her in that one. This one can drive. She knows how to drive. Get these towels. Just spreading it out like this so there can be a little more room for me. So let's go swimming. That's my the sunscreen. Spread. We don't want it. We don't want shiny. She's gonna go in cool water. So, we'll quickly put this off. Take this off. Nice and careful. The sunscreen I put on her. We just need that much. So rub. That's enough for that. And rub it. Now she's gonna go in the water. She's gonna go in with her friend. So they're in the water. I'm gonna let out their thing. They're gonna get dried off. This is so fun. Yay! So fun. Babies, do you want to play with these? These when you're done in the pool. You do? Okay, this is her shovel. She plays with that shovel. And she plays with this shovel. They're gonna be in this pool now. And they're gonna play with her. Gonna dump that and to make powder. Stir it up. Babies, wanna play with your bucket and spade? Okay. Ah, baby, you can't go like that. Baby, you wanna play with your bucket and spade? You don't, baby. Baby, you'll get hurt. Baby, you wanna play with your bucket and spades? Don't fall down, baby. Okay. I'm going to put water in here you can play with. Ah, baby! Don't go like that. You are wet, baby. For now, stay here. And baby, you want to play with this? I know you do. Don't go in there. Ah, baby! Babies, you both two have to go there, and I'll put water in here you can play with. Baby, you can't go back in the pool. You'll fall in the bucket. Don't fall. I'll catch you. Okay, stay there. No moving, baby. I'm gonna catch you. Ah, baby! No, she splattered my dress. Baby, do not do that ever again. You wackadoo, baby. Now it's some drinking time for babies. Got her bottle. I'm gonna squish it and put it in her mouth. And she's drinking. She's done drinking for now. So now, this one wants to play in water. So I'm gonna putting water in here. I didn't finish, so she's gonna play in the water in here. Well, she gets dried off. We're gonna start drying her off and start drying her. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. She's gonna chill here for a little bit, and she's gonna take a quick nap. So I'm gonna put her to sleep. She brings her sleeping mask. Here, there's her sleeping mask. Baby, it's time to get out. Baba time. I'm gonna save this for it's gonna be in their saving. I'm gonna rinse off all of her sunscreen off. She's gonna get dried off now. She's bored and she's cold. She's gonna get all dried off. She's gonna get dried off. She's gonna get a little dried off. Turn her head. She's all cuddly muddly. Oh, baby. And then we're gonna test her and then go to bed, and they're gonna eat a quick snack. Itsy Bitsy climbed up the water spout, down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up the rain. Itsy Bitsy climbed up the water spout again. They're gonna go to sleep now.